Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have another Easter spring craft for you guys today. I'm going to show you guys two ways to make the spring carrot decor. These were really popular last year, and this I actually recorded last year, but I'm just now showing you guys this year, and I did actually decorate with these this year again. But I guarantee you probably have not seen these spring carrots made this way. So I'm using some tapered candles from the dollar store, some tape. You can either use packing tape or painter's tape. I'm also using some onions, but you can really use, it's like a fake onion plant or something from the dollar store, but you can use any sort of greenery to for this project that you have. So the first thing you do is I took the onion pieces or the greenery from the dollar store and taped it to the top part of the candlestick first, and then I wrapped the rest of the candlestick in tape because it's going to protect that candlestick from being melted down when I hot glue the yarn on. Okay, so now, like I mentioned before, I'm going to be applying some yarn. I'm going to wrap the entire candlestick in yarn, just gluing every few inches or so. So you're going to wrap the entire candlestick in the yarn. You can either start at the top or start at the bottom, whatever is more comfortable for you. I did find after using the packing tape, though, that using the painter's tape to wrap the candle made it a little bit easier for me to glue the yarn on, but don't go out and buy it just because whatever tape you have is fine. Also, if you don't have orange yarn, you can use twine and just paint the twine after you're finished wrapping the candlestick. But this is what it looks like when it's done. This entire project probably cost me less than $5. At most dollar stores, you can get 2 candlesticks for $1. And the yarn was $1, and then you probably only need 1 stem of greenery, which you can also get from the dollar store. So this is a really great affordable way to make these beautiful spring carrots. For this next method of making the carrots, you can use either wooden dowels from your local hardware store or from the dollar store, and you can usually get them for $1 or less, but I'm actually using the bottom half of some tapered wooden legs that I found in the clearance section of Hobby Lobby. I found these for $1 each leg, and I still have the other half of each leg to use on a different project. But for this lower half, the first thing I did was just carve little notches into it to make it look more realistic like a carrot. And I'm just showing, at first I was using my saw, but I'm showing that you can also use scissors to get this effect. And this is what it looks like. Just little tiny notches to make it look a little bit more like a real carrot. And the next step is to drill a little hole in the top part. So I've marked where the hole is going to be, and then I drilled a hole just so that I can glue the greenery right inside of that hole. Once you have your carrot assembled, then you're going to want to start painting it. I just used some orange acrylic paint that I already had on hand. Once again, this project you can probably make for less than $5. The dowels are probably $1 each, and then you'll just buy the greenery and the paint that's also sold at the dollar store. And this is what it looks like when it's done. On this channel, I like to do DIY, home decor, and home improvement projects that you can make yourself at home. So if you're interested in that type of content, then please be sure to subscribe. I have another Easter video coming up soon, one more where I'm going to show some more of my Easter decor around the house, and I have a little blooper here at the end. I scratched my desk and now I'm sad. Oh no. Oh no.